Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. Today we have to discuss exercise 1.4 of chapter 1 number system. In this exercise, we will learn how we can locate the decimal numbers on the number line. Before this, we have seen decimal expansion of rationals and irrational numbers. What type of decimal expansion a rational number could have? Terminating or non-terminating but repeating, right? Irrational number decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. Clear? Now we will see 2.665 on the number line. This we have to visualize on the number line. So you can see in your book they are using magnifier lens, okay, just to check it where it exactly lies, right? So first we will talk about 2.6 only. Just think of 2.6, okay, hide it, cover it, and just think of 2.6. Where 2.6 lies on the number line, you will draw a number line. In between there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive integer and negative integer that side, right? So in between 2 and 6 somewhere, 2 and 3, 2.6 will lie. Between 2 and 3 we will find 2.6, okay. So we have extended 2 and 3, right? On the scale you can extend these numbers. What we will find? 2 here and 3 this side. In between which numbers lies? 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and the next number will be 2.10, that is 3 only. Okay. Now look for the next number, 2.66. Where 2.66 will lie now? Between 2 point between 2.6 and 2.7. So we have extended 2.6 and 2.7. Here we are looking for 2.66. So in between which numbers lie? 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65 and so on. Okay. Now what can we find? 2.66. 66 is here. 2.66 is this. But exactly we are looking for 2.665. 665 will lie between 2.66 and 2.67. 2.67. Now we are going to extend these two in the next step. What you will find out? Just try to extend. Here write 2.66. Here write last number is 2.67. In between, draw these marks of equal distances like 2.661, 2.662, 2.663, 4 and so on. Okay, last we are getting 2.669. This number is 2.669. After that we will be having 2.67 back, right? So where is the location of 2.665 exactly? Just check it out. 665 lies this side. Okay, this A represent 2.665 on this number line. Clear? So while drawing or visualizing these numbers, what you have to take care? First you have to show the proper number line. Then you have to extend the number and the margin in between should be equal. Here I have taken 1.5 margin everywhere, okay, and your number in between 9 numbers should come, and lastly you will be getting the same number, right? Like 2 and 3, I want to check between 2 and 3, so I have marked 9 point in between, 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, same way next, right? So draw it very neat and clean. You have two questions in your exercise. The statements are: first question, 3.765. Okay, this is up to 3 decimal places. And the next question is 4.26 bar, right? And you are asked to represent this number or visualize this number up to 4 decimal places. You can see the decimal expansion of this number. It will be 4.262626. Okay, here this is known as repetition. Okay, right? This 4.26792530, this is not known as repetition, no, because digits are repeated but it is not following a particular pattern. This type of number is known as repeating decimal expansion. Okay, 4.262626 and it will be continued like this, right? But we have to check it up to 4 decimal places, so we are taking 4.26 and 26. Up to here only you have to visualize. So make the same number line and first number will lie between 4 and 5. 4.2 will lie between 4 and 5. Try to extend this like this only. Process will be same. Do it in your fair copy and then show it to me. Thank you and have a nice day.